The goal of my staff is to play a game with no issues and get players on the field where they don't think about us. My name is Tom McLaughlin. I'm a home clubhouse manager and equipment manager with the Boston Red Sox. So we have a staff in the home clubhouse of 6 to 7 people, it depends. But we have guys, grown adults that have worked for us for 20 years, 25 years. There's a few new guys, we consider them the new guys, they've been there 6, 7 years. We just get it done together.
It's a family for sure, and you get guys like this, we call them clubhouse kids sometimes, but they're been around a long time. Long enough time to not be kids anymore.
As much as we try and prepare the day before, the week before for an event, something's going to happen that day. Oh, player change, somebody got hurt the night before, you need a jersey for this new guy that's getting called up from the minor leagues. Like, we try and stay prepared, but there's always something. You just have to think on your feet and get it done.
How are we talking?
Let's go, Foxy.
I love you.
Ready to play ball.
We use spring training as kind of getting to know guys. As you get near the end of spring training, guys are really getting focused on their routine and what they do to prepare for a game, what they wear every day when they pitch or they're a hitter, whatever they do, you start to notice trends. And we try and just make it happen. And if they want us to be a part of it, we will. If they don't want us to be a part of it, we'll just stay out of the way. But we use the spring as a way to get to know them just like they're getting to know us.
The leg opening.
That's good?
Yeah.
Okay. Let me put your number in. We have a lot of returning players and not a lot of new players. We try and group guys together to build relationships, because they're going to spend so much time together that it's nice for them to build relationships with new players, not just the ones they already know. So in spring training, we use 1,600 dozen baseballs, and they're not cheap. Filling the batting cages, all the practice fields, game balls, everything comes out of that 1,600 dozen. When we go back to Fenway Park, we use about 18 to 20 dozen baseballs per game, another 18 to 24 dozen baseballs for practices and workouts and batting practice. So we go through a lot of baseballs. The amounts of laundry, whether it's towels or bench towels or clothes or uniforms. On the major league side in spring training, we're taking care of over 100 people. But oh my God, we scrub all day long. If you could take the rotations of a washing machine, the 3 machines we have, and convert it to miles, I'd love to see what it is. It's endless.
I'm the youngest of 8 kids, grew up in the city of Boston. It's brought me to Japan, London, Dominican Republic, all over the United States, all over Canada, Mexico. It's given me everything and the opportunity to help my family. It's been incredible, it really has. I don't take it for granted any day.
There's 30 people in the world that get to do what I do at this level. 30 people in the world. It's special. It's fun to be a part of. Just proud to be with the Red Sox and proud to be from Boston, and I'll be Boston forever.